Hello everyone, I'm the Dino King and welcome back to another slow motion car crash video. So in today's video we'll be driving this miniaturized version of a pickup truck on the wrong side of the highway until we inevitably crash. Then we'll be watching this same crash in slow motion but from different angles. So for example the driver's perspective. Anyway, I'll hit pause and let's begin. First, I just need to get around this traffic jam here. Okay, and now let's step on the accelerator. This one isn't too fast, but it's pretty small, so it should be quite an entertaining crash. Let's try to get a bit above 100 kilometers an hour before we crash, at least. Okay, now let's go to slow motion mode. We're at 16 times slower than normal speed and crash. Doing nearly nothing to the van in front of us, but demolishing the front of our tiny pickup truck. The back of it is still pretty intact though, but we didn't even budge the van. That's just how light our vehicle is. Can we drive? Nope. Our tires still do move, but they're not even touching the ground. Anyway, let's watch this car crash, but from the driver's perspective. And once again, let's go to slow motion. And we've made impact. And yeah, that's it. We're pretty much stopped in our tracks. And well, from a perspective of not being able to drive. Anyway, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye for now.